I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware so you don't hit a dead end. Check the monitor for 2 usable inputs and confirm your PC has a second video port or a compatible docking station. This determines the connection method. Once done, pick cables or adapters that match both ports: HDMI to HDMI, DisplayPort to USB-C, or an active adapter if needed. You do this because matching signal types preserves resolution and refresh rate. Make sure power is connected before proceeding to the next step. Now you perform the detailed setup. Plug the second video output into the monitor input, then power both devices. Once connected, go into your operating system display settings and detect the new screen. You choose Extend when you want more workspace or Duplicate for mirroring. Set the primary display so apps open where you expect them. Then match resolution and scaling to avoid blurry text. Higher resolution needs more GPU headroom. Once stable, reposition displays logically so your cursor moves naturally between them. Finish by validating the full experience. You test windows, videos, and dragging items across screens. Make sure refresh rate and color match closely because mismatches create eye strain. If you encounter no signal or flicker, update GPU drivers and monitor firmware, then reboot both devices. This fixes most handshake issues. If problems persist, swap cables, try other ports, or use a powered, active adapter. One key troubleshooting tip: always check power to adapters first, since passive converters often fail with higher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.